Hello everyone, today we are going to cook kilawin na baboy in less than 2 minutes. But before that, please click the subscribe button below for more Asian recipes. These are the ingredients needed for this recipe. And we need to chop the onion, ginger, garlic, and tomatoes. We need to boil the pork together with laurel leaves, sea salt, and ground black pepper for 20 minutes. After boiling, we need to grill the pork until it is slightly burnt.
By the way, the eggplant on the left side is for another recipe coming soon.
After grilling, we need to slice it into thin layers. Add the sea salt in the container with the pork, ground black pepper. Add the chopped onions, garlic, tomatoes, and ginger. Squeeze the calamansi, but don't include the seeds. Add the vinegar and keep mixing. It is now ready to be served. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Bye bye.